The students were tasked with designing a performance space for the client and start to understand how pieces come together and the realities of building at an actual scale.
If you were to look at a building or structure through X-ray goggles, what would you see? It's one thing to see how structure works on paper. It's one thing to see how it works in software. Completely different to see what happens in real life and how you have to fix things when things happen.
When it comes to designing our assemblage, it was quite a step-by-step process of getting to know our client, what their needs are, what this space is for, and then being grouped into 4 and 5, and then we have different ideas, and we had the opportunity to present this to our clients.
We were trying to bring everything that we learned in design technology into one single project. How would things come together? Where are the junction points? Where are the potential issues that you have to fix? Where are the opportunities that you can leverage in terms of forces, etc.?
We've been modelling this project 1 to 10 with smaller paper pieces, so it's actually really nice to see it come to life. This is not an engineering course, this is more based in design. This was like a really nice case where we were actually able to work with an engineer and to consider the safety implications, because in our usual projects our main concern is the aesthetics and the functionality with how people move throughout our designs. So it was really nice to actually get in there with mallets and the hammers and to just properly push everything together and to make sure it all lined up.
We're really keen that the students come together as a cohort to start designing and start building things together as a group. And building things is really the best way to learn what architecture is all about.
This project was a lovely end to our first year here, and it was so amazing to see it come to life.